Happy birthday, Mama!
I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama.
Happy birthday! Sana magustuhan niyo yung video na ginawa namin sa inyo. Enjoy!
Happy birthday to you, shining star, may your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives to you we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye. You're a beacon of love, let your spirit soar high. Your laughter is infectious, it fills the air.
Hello to you, hello to me. Mama, happy 63 birthday sa'yo. Salamat sa Panginoon Diyos dahil binigay ka sa amin ng mga anak mo na maging ilaw ng tahanan sa loob ng 31 taon. Se-celebrate din natin ang anibersaryo ng ating kasal. Kung tayo kinasal sa simbahan ng Espiritu Santo. Kaya happy birthday and happy anniversary sa iyo o sa atin. Naway patuloy kang ingatan at biyayaan ng ating Panginoon ng lakas ng katawan, ng isip at kalooban upang lalo kami makasama hanggang sa kung kailan iloob na manatili tayo dito sa buhay nito. I love you very very much. I miss you. I care you. Happy birthday and happy anniversary sa atin. Sumayin niyo ang Panginoon at kay Mama Mary kami.
Happy birthday ang bati ko, ang bati namin sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Mama. Saka na po ako makapagbigay ng apo. Sa ngayon, sana maging maganda ang araw na ito. Maging kasing ganda nyo. And stay healthy and I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong po ninyo. At sana ngayong araw ma-enjoy nyo po ang inyong kaarawan. Unang-una po sa lahat, hindi po namin kayang suklian lahat ng binigay nyo po sa amin. Talagang iba ang pagmamahal ng isang ina. Kaya kami na nandito, nagpapasalamat at hinahandog ang munting video ito para batiin po namin kayo ng happy birthday, Mama. We love you. From Yana.
Hello, ate.
Hello,
Good afternoon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you, ate. Happy birthday. Good health and be beautiful always. Happiness. Love you. Bye.
Hi, sister. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo more blessings and God bless you always. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, ate! Wish you all the best, good health, and happy life. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday sa ate ko. Love you. Happy birthday.